Hola, me llamo Mike Perdín y trabajo en NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory en Pasadena, California. Mi español no es tan bueno y por eso voy a hablar en inglés to allow somebody to translate for you guys in Spanish. So you might have just heard that on February 18th, the new Mars rover, Perseverance, just landed on Mars, which was really exciting for all of us. My role on the mission is I was the lead manufacturing engineer for all the power electronic systems, electrónica de potencia. And these electronics are similar to the ones that you would find on your TV, in your computer, on your phone. And the only difference is that when we build it for space, we build it with amazing quality and with parts that could survive just the violent environments that these missions, these spacecrafts are going to be seeing. We want to make sure that they're good and it's not going to fail once it gets there. And here are two photos of me in the laboratory building electronic hardware. And those electronics go into each of the spacecraft's vehicles to help get Perseverance safely to Mars. And you'll see in this photo, here are the different vehicles that are actually used and needed to get Perseverance to Mars and also on the surface of Mars. So for example, here's an electronic box that I helped build that will power Perseverance. This power box allows Perseverance to be able to power her wheels, to allow it to roll. She can also use the power to extend her arm, to explore rocks. When it's all done, it gets placed into the belly of Perseverance, just like you're seeing here where the team is putting in the actual hardware that I built into the belly of Perseverance. The biggest challenge that we came across were design issues that we found during the build of the hardware. We found a problem, something wasn't functioning right, and when that happened, we would bring in all the engineers, we'd all get together, and we'd have to figure out, do we need to change the design? And if we do, that's going to cost money, that's going to cost schedule. Or is it okay? Do we think that when we send it to Mars, there won't be an issue? And so those are the biggest questions that we had to face as a team, because you only get one shot to send something to Mars. If something doesn't function right there, you can't bring it back, you can't take it to a repair shop, fix it, and send it back. We don't have that luxury. When we build it here, we got to make sure that we build it right and that it's going to work when we send it to Mars. And so those were the big decisions that we had to make. I love the people that work there. It is truly an amazing place that has amazing people to work with. And just to think that what I'm doing is helping to pave the way for future exploration, for future science, for humanity, and even for future engineers that have yet to even decide that they want to be engineers, that science that we are creating now is going to be available for them to study, years from now. Gracias a todos por esta oportunidad. Antes de irme, quiero saludar José, Patricia, Lorena y Daniela. Saluda a toda la familia y un gran abrazo a todos, con mucho amor. Adiós.